Hey everyone, Nathan from Minnesota Mobile Guy here. Mobile Hotspot, if you're not familiar with it, is a feature included on most of today's smartphones. It enables you to share the internet from your data plan with other Wi-Fi enabled devices, thereby giving them an internet connection. So you can hook up a laptop, a tablet, a PlayStation, Xbox, anything like that to your phone and give that device internet. But American cellular carriers are pretty greedy and restrictive when it comes to the hotspot capabilities. They all tend to restrict it in some way or another. T-Mobile puts a cap on the amount of hotspot that you can use, or Sprint charges extra for it in addition to your data plan. Verizon and AT&T are a little unique in that they don't allow you to access the hotspot capabilities at all if you're using the phone with a carrier other than themselves, if you have it unlocked for another carrier. Here with me today, I have an AT&T LG G2 that I've been working on. This one is the D800, which is the G2, and then of course it is an AT&T model, as we can see all of the AT&T apps installed there. Now this is one that I happen to be running on Cricket instead of AT&T. So the service works just fine. But when I go into the hotspot settings, if I want to try to enable that, I'll get a message that says authenticating. And then it'll say there's a temporary network problem that prevents it to be enabled. Well, AT&T's lying a little bit there. It's not really a temporary problem at all. That message will always show up if you try to enable hotspot if you're using a carrier other than AT&T. Cricket, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, any other Straight Talk, any other carrier other than AT&T, you will always get that message. But my business offers a service whereby I can get that hotspot enabled for you, bypassing AT&T's software restriction completely. So this is a phone that I have actually set up to do that, and all I have to do is one last reboot here, and we'll see that it does work once it comes back up. There it comes, just a little bit more. Okay, fully rebooted now with Signal. And let's jump into the hotspot setting and try that again. So now when we go to turn it on, it pops up and just says mobile hotspot active, and it does not give me that error message. So this phone has now had mobile hotspot enabled, completely bypassing AT&T's restrictions so that you can use it with any carrier. If you have an AT&T LG G2, or even if it's another phone, because keep in mind I can do this for a lot of different phones, go ahead and contact me if you'd like to get it enabled. Contact info will be in the video description. Y para todos los hispanos, también hablo español, así que no duden en contactarse conmigo. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.